Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Southwest Airlines error code 400514263. This error comes when users try to book a car rental through the Southwest Airlines platform, but the process fails and shows the error code. According to our research, this error may occur due to browser-related issues, cached data, or a temporary service outage. The first thing we suggest is try clearing your browser's browsing data. Once cleared, refresh the page and see if the error still comes. If the error still comes, try booking using a different browser. Simply open a new browser and go to the Southwest Airlines site and check if this helps with the error. If the error still persists, try booking the rental from a different device and check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, it might be a temporary issue on the system end. So wait for some time and try again. And check if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.